Okay, I am here in Nigeria. I have 2 cups. I'm gonna this is filled up with water. This water comes from the ground. It's being pumped up with a pumping machine. I can't say it's well water because it ain't coming from a well, but it could be. So I'm filling up both cups with water. I brought my zero filter here, so we're gonna see if it'll work as far as gauging how much water, I guess purity is going to come from this zero filter. So bear with me 1 second. Okay, so I have the zero filter connected, and it goes into my filter container like that. That's how it looks. Screwed down in there good. And I will take 1 cup of water, and I'm going to pour it into the filter. Just 1 cup, because we're going to test this water. And as you can see, the water is coming out of the filter. This is the water we're going to test. This water is coming out. I might have to put a 2nd cup in there because it's like not a whole lot of water, but I want to get a good test reading. I can always fill up another cup, so let's just see by the time it runs all the way through. As you can see, it's filling up at the bottom. See that? So we're going to just give it a few minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, this is looking like enough water. So I'm going to put the water into the 1 cup from the filter. This is the water we're going to test. Coming straight from the zero filter. I really think this is enough to test. So we'll stop right there. And now we're going to get some more of the faucet water. And we're going to test that also. Okay, so this is the lid. The reader comes inside the lid. I'm going to turn it on. It has 0, 0. This is the faucet water. We're going to put it in here, submerge it to get a reading. I'm going to hit the hold button to hold that reading. It read 152. 152. All right, let's start over. Let's make sure. Let's double check. This is the water. Hold on. Take the hold off. Let's start over. Let's start fresh. 0, 0. Submerge it in the water to get a reading. And this reading is reading 152, which really ain't bad because my faucet water in home was way worse than this. Okay, so now this is the filtered water. Okay, now let's put it in here, submerge it to get a reading. Can y'all see that? 0.1. The filter has filtered out all the chemicals that was in that water to 0.1. 0, hold on, let me hold it. Because you gotta hold it. And put it in here and hit hold. Y'all see that? 0.1. So the zero water works. And the whole purpose of me doing this is because I'm cooking. And I didn't want to just use the faucet water. I wanted to use some better water. So now I know I can use my filter water. If y'all slipping on that zero filter, especially if you travel overseas. Get you one, take it with you.